In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a flat or punctured tire. These are the tools that we need: screwdriver, cutter, and a water with the dishwashing soap, a tire inflator. This is optional because I just need to clean something on the tire itself. And the most important, the fix a flat tire repair. Yesterday, I was driving on the highway when all of a sudden my TPMS indicator flashes. I already knew it because I felt I ran into something, and next thing I know, I have a punctured tire. I didn't even bother to fix it on the road because it's cold and it is still winter here in Canada. I immediately replaced the tire with a spare, and here I am. I am fixing the tire in the workshop. You see, there are some scratches here. Okay, that one here. So I'm just gonna try to polish it. You can pry it this one bit. That is the nail that we need to remove. Okay, so but before we remove this one, we need to put some air, and then we set it up to 33. Okay, and we turn it on. And it stopped on its own, okay, because it reaches 33 psi. So we did already know where the puncture is, but just to make sure, I'll spray the whole tire, just in case there is more than one. Who knows? That's why this method of water and soap is effective to trace holes in tires. This is the one that we need to remove. We could just use this screwdriver. This is the repair tire kit that I'm gonna use. I bought this in my local auto shop nearby for $10. I think this is also available in Amazon. I will leave the link at the description box down below if you are interested. You use this reamer to clean the hole. You just make sure that you have to prepare the liner. Make sure it's in the middle, then put the glue. Put this in like this, and then push in and out, in and out. You hear the air is coming out. Okay, now this is ready. You just have to be quick. Okay, see, all in. Now you have to just pull it real quick, just in quick. Okay, Now we don't hear any hissing sound. And then after that we just have to cut it. Okay, so just make sure that this is flat because you don't want any thing that will hit anything. It's going to move, so that's why I suggest you have to polish it if it's necessary, just to make sure it's flat. Okay, we're gonna use this one. Okay, add some more glue. Okay, just wait for quite a bit till it dries, and then we're good to go. I already set it up to 33 psi, and then I was surprised that this one is just a 26 psi. This is supposed to be 60 psi. That is spare tire, so it is good to check your spare tire once in a while. See, it is 60 psi and it's just 26.5. So now I'm gonna inflate this. I'm gonna set it up to 60 psi before I put it back in the car. Okay, 60.